boys and girls. It's Miss Grissom.
Hi, it's Miss Yashik.
All right, here is day 2 of our IGH lesson. And remember, what sound does IGH make?
I.
I. The light is bright. And I'm wearing my bright colors.
Woo!
So that in honor of IGH. Okay.
Got my flashlight in honor of IGH.
What you're gonna need is something to write with and a journal or a piece of paper, something you have to write with. If you have your list from last time, you can get that out as well. That might help you. But I'll have my list out so you can use that. Okay, so now we're going to write some sentences. The first sentence we're going to write, I already have it written out for us. So we're gonna have to think of which IGH word is going to fit in the blank. Let's go over our list really quick and let's read the words together. Ready? High, flight, bright, tonight, light, lightning, might. And this one I just added. Might means it's like something that maybe will happen. So I might eat spaghetti for dinner tonight. I might end up eating pizza. I'm not sure yet. It might possibly, maybe, might happen. Okay, so here's our first sentence we have, and we're gonna think of which word would fit there. I think it rained today, so I'll bring an umbrella. Let's read it one more time and think, which word would fit there from our list? I think it rained today, so I'll bring an umbrella. What are you thinking, Miss Yashik?
Well, I'm looking at the list. I know it's definitely got the IGH sound. So I think it might be the new word that you just added at the bottom, might.
Might, okay.
Let's see if that makes sense.
Let's reread it and see if it makes sense. I like that
Okay.
idea. I think it might rain today, so I'll bring an umbrella. Does that make sense?
That makes sense to me.
Awesome. So
I
I'm
like
going
that.
to write that word in the blank. And you guys can copy this sentence as well. Remember, as always, if you need to pause the screen to catch up, you can pause it here and copy the sentence down. And don't forget, we're going to take our highlighter or a different color, or you can even underline it, but we're going to find the IGH inside of the word. All right. And you can always add your own picture as well. Okay, so now we're going to write our own sentences. Miss Yashik, can you think of a sentence using one of the words on our list?
Okay, I love the list. I'm thinking, okay, I thought of a sentence. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. And when we have a sentence, we like to count how many words are in the sentence ahead of time so we can kind of touch and tell like we do at writing. All right, so the sentence is, are you ready? Mm-hmm. I jumped as blank as I could on the trampoline. Ooh, so let's count. I jumped as blank, we're not sure, as I could on the trampoline. Whoa, how many words was that, 10?
I think I got 10.
Whew. Okay, we can do this.
Okay.
All right. And we know we always start with a capital, right, when we begin a sentence?
I jumped on.
I jumped as.
Oh, I jumped as.
Blank.
Okay, this is the word we're trying to figure out. I jumped as. As.
I could. On the
trampoline.
Oh, trampoline. That's 3 syllables. Trampoline.
That is a long word. We're gonna have to stretch that out by the syllables we hear. And then I need a period or some kind of punctuation at the end. How should we read this sentence, Miss Yashik?
I love jumping on the trampoline, so I usually get excited and I'm like, woohoo! So I would say, I jumped as blank as I could on the trampoline.
I like that. So I'm going to add an exclamation mark.
Yes.
I would be reading it the same way because that sounds like a lot of fun. Okay, so now time to write. And Miss Yashik reminded me a capital letter, always, always, always. I. Now we need the word jumped. So I know how to spell the word jump. There's jump, but now I need jumped. And it kind of sounds like a T, but it's not a T. What two letters mean in the past? ED, very good. ED, in the past. I jumped as blank as I could.
Oh, you know what, Miss Grissom? Now that you're writing the word I again, I notice it's a capital, but it's not at the beginning of the sentence.
I know the reason why. It's because I is a very important person. So you have to have I capitalized. It doesn't matter if it's at the beginning or in the middle of a sentence. I by itself is always capitalized.
And you want to hear a song to help me and my kids? We sing this sometimes to remember that. It's really quick. When I is by itself, it is a capital letter.
That's cute. I love that. When I is by itself, it is a capital
letter. Woo! Yep.
I like that. I jumped as blank as I could. You have any songs for the word could?
I don't, but I know that there's other words on our word wall like would, should, could, and they all kind of have that same pattern at the ending, the O-U-L-D. But we don't hear the L. It's not cooled, it's could. All right, I jumped as blank as I could on. You're muted, Miss Grissom. We can't hear you. Okay. On the, oh, we know the, you can say the, or you can say the, but it's always spelled with the T-H-E, the. So I jumped as blank as I could on the. Now we have a long word, trampoline. And if I stretch out my sounds, I hear a blend at the beginning. Trr. Trr.
T-R, like in the word tree.
Mm-hmm. Am. Oh, I hear a snap word. Am.
Tramp. I hear that P right there. Tramp. O.
Lean.
This one is spelled I-N-E, so it looks like trampoline, but that's not how we read it. This I kind of breaks the rules. So that's how you spell the word trampoline. So now let's figure out what word goes in the blank. I jumped as I could on the trampoline. I even drew a picture.
You sure did.
I think the word is high. Let's see if it fits there. I jumped as high as I could on the trampoline. That makes sense, right?
It sure does.
Okay, so the word is high, and we're gonna write H-I-G-H, high. And then you can draw a quick picture. My person is doing a trick on the trampoline, and I'm gonna draw an arrow because they're going up high. And then don't forget, you can take your other color or a pencil and underline it. Find the IGH in your sentence. Okay.
That looks great.
Do we have time for one more, you think?
We do. Maybe one more.
Okay, let's do one more sentence.
And your handwriting is so pretty, Miss Grissom. I love the way you're starting your letters at the top and you're going down and you're taking your time, especially on those letters like the lowercase g. I notice you're making a magic C and you're going down. So your letters look so nice, ready for second grade.
Thank you so much. I'm ready for second grade.
You are.
We always start our letters at the top. That's a very important rule and thing that she just noticed. Thank you for your sweet compliment. Okay, I have a sentence this time. I'm going to use the word, no wait, I'm not going to tell you what word I need to use.
Oh yeah, that's the secret.
I forgot. My mom is cooking hamburgers for dinner. Okay, let's count how many words we heard. My mom is cooking hamburgers for dinner blank.
Blank.
So that is 5, 6, 7, 8 words. My mom is cooking, that's kind of a longer one, hamburgers, that's a very long word, hamburgers.
Hamburgers. Ooh, that's a 3-syllable. Hamburgers.
For dinner blank. I almost said it. Not that easy. I'm going to put a period on this sentence because it's just a statement. It's just something my mom is doing. I'm kind of excited about it, but I'm trying to keep it cool, you know?
Good call.
Okay. So we need to write the word my, and Miss Yashik reminded me always a capital letter. Capital M, Y, my. Then I have enough finger space there. Mom, that's an easy snap word. My mom is, that's an easy snap word, is cooking. 2 syllables, right? I need to figure out how to spell the word cook. I'm thinking of a word.
I'm thinking of a sight word that looks a little bit like cook, and it's the word look. So if we can spell look, I bet we can spell cook.
So I hear a C. Instead of the look, we're going to do k-ook. So I'm going to use the end part of the word look. O-O-K. Look. This is cook, sorry. My mom is cooking.
Ing.
I know those 3 letters I need to add there. Cooking. I-N-G, I-N-G, ing, 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 ing. Cook-ing. Now I need this long word, hamburgers. So first I need ham. I hear the H, am, kind of like in the word trampoline.
Oh, it's got the sight word am in it. Good.
Ham, and right here it could be I-R, U-R, or E-R. The correct spelling is hamburger, hamburger. G.
Ooh, I hear an ending.
End. What'd you say?
I said I hear in the ending what I think it might be. There's 2 letters. Well, there's a lot of letters that say because that's the bossy R. We're learning about that next week. But I'm thinking as an ER at the end.
E-R, at the end of the word. My mom is cooking hamburger.
You have to add an S.
Hamburgers. Because she's not just making just one for herself. She's making it for her family. Hamburgers. We need more than one. My mom is cooking hamburgers for, we know that word. Snap word, it has O-R, or. My mom is cooking hamburgers for dinner. Dinner. In. Do y'all hear a snap word in there?
I-N.
In. Good. And this one, there's a double N. There's 2 N's in the word dinner. And then we just talked about ER at the end. Dinner.
It's a letter twin in the middle. We call those letter twins. You can break up the word by the twins in the middle.
The dinner, the letter twins, the N's right there. My mom is cooking hamburgers for dinner. Right. No, that didn't make sense.
No.
My mom is cooking dinner. I'm sorry, my mom is cooking hamburgers for dinner. Lightning. No. I think I know it. My mom is cooking hamburgers for dinner
Bingo.
tonight. That makes sense. Tonight. Oh, yum. I can't wait to have me some hamburgers. Let me write the word tonight. And we have the IGH because that's the pattern we just learned. Ah, my marker is not closing. Okay, and then I'm going to take my highlighter or other color or pencil and underline it. And then you can always draw a quick, nice picture. I'm going to draw a hamburger.
Ooh, you're making me hungry.
I know, that sounds so yummy. And here's a mom making hamburgers, serving them.
That's a big burger.
That is a large burger. I bet there's going to be some leftovers.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, boys and girls, so you can pause the screen here if you need to copy this sentence. I'll go back to the sentence before if you need to copy the other one. Oh, there we go. We can have them both up at the same time. So here was the, oh, it's backwards. Here's the first one we did, the second one we did, and then I just showed you the last one. So if you need more time, pause the screen. Okay, well, it was great seeing everyone here today. And we hope to see y'all next time. Don't forget to send us pictures of your amazing work. We miss y'all so much.
We love you guys. Bye.
Bye.